Hey Glam Crew, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It is your girl, Nikki, the Glam Teacher. Today I am sharing a video of my beautiful sunset experience on the beach in Dubai. I will be sharing a lovely, quiet solo evening with you all. Such a beautiful sunset. Everything was peaceful and just exploring. I didn't have any itinerary, just out and enjoying the sunset and whatever comes my way. So I hope you enjoyed the video. We are at the beach, Glam. I want to catch the sunset at the beach, guys. It's so beautiful. We're gonna catch the sunset. I think it's prayer time. Let me take my clothes off because we're about to get in this water and enjoy the sunset, y'all. Got sand all in my pants, y'all. Y'all got a deep wedgie. So this is our last swimsuit Glam Crew. It is a black one piece from Shein, size large. Size large Glam Crew. And it has this cute little over-the-shoulder design. Light padding. Material is super stretchy and it's super soft. So the padding is in here. And look at the cute little unique design. Love this design. Size large. Now it is a little tight in like the crotch area, so if you got a big bumper and you need a little bit more room, go up a size. But if you just want it to be cute on vacation really quick, snap some photos, you will be okay. Let me get my tripod out. Let me find it. Hold on, we'll be back. wish I would have came out here just a little bit earlier. But it's okay. I love this swimsuit. It's very cute. Definitely girls trip swimsuit. You can put on a little cover up if you think it's, you know, too sexy for you. A little cover up dress. Or just go and be free. Enjoy your life. Hey. Go down to the water. It's so warm and beautiful out there. Oh my goodness. I gotta take y'all down to the water. We about to go because it's so warm and beautiful. Why I thought I was recording and I was not. I had too much of the downhill before I got here. But it's a bit rocky. Yeah. But it's so nice out here. It's still people out there on jet skis playing. Believe I'm out here in Dubai. That's a big seashell. That's a rock. You see this? It's big. Let's step into the water. It's so warm. It's so warm, y'all. It's so beautiful out here. Oh my goodness, even in the night, like, it's like the sky still lights up at night. Like, there's, oh my God, I'm in Dubai. Oh my God. So what do y'all think about this swimsuit? It was a good deal. Somewhere in here, I will put the screenshot of what I ordered, the price. Shein got y'all. Shein got y'all. What's this ocean called, y'all? Is this the Dubai Ocean? This water is so warm and the sand below is so soft. It's like powder. Remember when I was in Aruba and I said the sand tastes or feels like powder? That's what I'm getting here, like a nice soft powdery feel. Yeah, it feels amazing. Is amazing. Look at the sky, this beautiful sunset. This is literally the best beach in Dubai. Now I say this is the best beach in Dubai because it's family friendly. Oh, I see something like a big, you know when fish, let me back up a little bit. I ain't playing with no fish. Let me go back a little bit and talk. I ain't playing that. But I say this is the best beach in Dubai. It's family friendly. You got a few restaurants, clean facilities, and it's plenty of space. Now the most popular beach in Dubai, I'll put here, that beach is always somebody trying to sell you stuff. You have to pay for it like seating, and it's so packed and they squeeze you in there tight. It's packed. If you want somewhere that is family friendly, you can wear whatever you want at the beach. Something that is not super overly busy, then this is the beach to go to. And I'll put in the name in here somewhere, y'all. You got some restaurants, it's easy to get to. It took me like a 12-minute Uber ride, and that 12-minute Uber ride was like $9. 9 USD. So very, very affordable. Got some restaurants and stuff, like perfect weather. You can see the mosque here. The mosque back there. Yes. A beautiful place. They have water activities, and the price is not upcharged because it's not as popular for tourists. Best bitch in Dubai, baby. So yeah, I'm gonna enjoy the beach. Bye, Glam Crew. Thank you for watching. Like, share, send this video to everybody. Your mama, your cousin, auntie, uncles, brother, sister. Share it. Drop me a comment. Tell me what you think about this beach. Tell me about your future upcoming travels. Tell me where have you been that is like the most amazing, beautiful beach. Let me know. Drop in the comments. I try to respond to all comments. So drop me something. I want to hear it. Let's talk. Let's talk. Oh, what's that song? Come and talk to me. I really wanna. Yeah, if you ever play karaoke or remember the lyrics, that's not me. Not me. But yeah, subscribe. If you are not subscribed, really, honestly, what are you doing? What are you doing? Subscribe. Bye. Beach instructions. Y'all, I see the Burj Khalifa from here. It's lighting up. I can't believe I'm about to miss this show again. The other night, I was in the pool waiting for the fountain, the fountain show to start. And it was like 7:08 and it did not start. And I had to get out the pool at 7 o'clock. It's 6:59 and it's lighting up, but like, is the show about to start? Let me get an Uber to the Burj Khalifa. Bye, y'all. Y'all, look at the sun set back there still. So pretty. This is such a beautiful area. The weather is so amazing. But it is mosquitoes out here, y'all. I haven't like seen like mosquito bites like in the US, but it's little bugs out here. I don't know if they biting, but so far I ain't got no bumps. It's only at nighttime. The water feels so amazing. looking for Alexis.